Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Holistic Workshop. You all have heard the virtues of Mediterranean diet. Today we are going to make baked falafel and tahini sauce. Get your ingredients. This is an easy, simple sauce. Get 3/4 cup of roasted sesame seeds. Add them to a food processor. Give 10 to 12 pulses. Add your oil, lemon juice, and cloves, and then add warm water for your sauce for your desired consistency. Sesame seeds have great antioxidant properties. I've given the reference article below. I always prepare my tahini sauce before my baked falafel. This is a very easy sauce to prepare. You can store this sauce as well for a week. Next, we will make our falafel. For this, you need to soak your chickpeas. I've taken 2 cups for 12 hours and gather your ingredients. And then add these ingredients to your food processor. As I have said, Mediterranean diet has shown in multiple studies to decrease insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, as well as cancer. So there are many advantages, and hopefully you will make your falafel in the healthy way we have shown in this video and accrue all the benefits of Mediterranean diet. I have put all my ingredients in the food processor. I'm adding my spices, and next I'm going to grind them and make a rough mixture of my chickpeas. I've also added a tablespoon of garbanzo or chickpea flour to again get the desired consistency. You don't want this too thin, which will become hummus, or too thick. Once you get the desired consistency, you can make 1 to 2 inch diameter balls, which you can use a spoon or an ice cream scoop to make. And then bake them for at 20 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees till they are golden brown and crisp. It's a very healthy meal, and enjoy this meal with tahini sauce. Thank you for watching, and begin your journey to health and happiness.